Are you ready to unlock the doors to financial success and elevate your investment game to new heights? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the ultimate video to mastering investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your skills or a beginner eager to dive into the world of finance, you're about to discover the keys to wealth accumulation and financial security. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to transform your financial future. First things first, let's talk about diversification. The key to reducing risk and maximizing returns is to spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. By doing so, you'll avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Next up, let's discuss the concept of value investing. This strategy involves identifying undervalued assets and buying them at a discount. It requires thorough research and patience, but can lead to significant long-term gains. Moving on to dollar cost averaging. This technique involves investing a fixed amount of money into an asset at regular intervals, regardless of its price. By doing this, you'll end up buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, effectively averaging out your costs. Now, let's delve into the world of index funds. These funds aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They provide instant diversification and often have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Last but not least, let's not forget about the power of long-term investing. Trying to time the market can be challenging and often leads to poor results. Instead, focus on staying invested over the long haul, taking advantage of the power of compounding. By incorporating these tried and tested investing strategies into your portfolio, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing is a journey, so stay disciplined and keep learning along the way. And there you have it, your roadmap to financial prosperity through the mastery of investment strategies. Remember, diversification, value investing, dollar cost averaging, index funds, and the power of long-term commitment are your trusted companions on this journey. As you navigate the complex world of finance, stay disciplined, keep learning, and watch your investments flourish over time. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We're committed to providing you with more insightful tips, tricks, and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Until next time, happy investing, and may your financial dreams become a reality.